FLEXIGRAF 3D is the continuation of the PCB 3D project. We continue to innovate and research with additive technology and 3D printing for the field of electronic prototyping. In this school year, we will focus the objectives on the manufacture of flexible electronic circuits. We will also experiment with graphene inks. Towards March 2021, we will organize a practical conference to transmit the knowledge acquired in the course of the project. This event will be focused on TVET centers and companies in the environment. Our goal will be to have a first contact with the Volterra machine and know the possibilities it offers. Follow us.